Hello gorgeous people, you are welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created my knit buttonhole and how I also fixed my button. Few months ago I made this blazer and the pants, but as at the time I made it I didn't use the right button, rather I used a press button. But later I decided to change it and here is how it looks. You can see the before and this is the after. So if this video sounds like what you love, kindly watch it to the end and remember to subscribe to my channel when you are done watching. Don't also forget to comment, like and share this video. Let's get started. It was press button I used previously. As you can see, it was not really giving me what I wanted. So I decided to get another button. You can see this button matches with the fabric. So I'll be taking out the press button. But before doing that, I will just be using my chalk to mark the point where the button was, so that when I'm replacing it, I will know the actual position to fix my buttonhole and the button. So this is me carefully removing the press button. Before now on this channel I did a video on how to create a knit buttonhole, so you can also check that out. So when I was done taking out the press button, I marked it again. And you can also decide the position of the button. I know we have the men's side and we have the ladies side, but whichever position you choose, I think is totally okay. I'll be making use of this white thread because as at the time of making this video, I didn't have a purple thread. I have just replaced my universal foot with my buttonhole foot, and that is it right there. So here is how it looks, and I'll be following the patterns on the sewing machine. So I will set my machine to number 5. That's for the stitching, and I'll just be following that pattern. So I'll set it to number 1, then later 2, then 3 and 4. Okay. So this is how it's gonna be. Now that I know where I'm going to be stitching, I'll set my knob to 1. Okay, after setting it to 1, I'll stitch a little. Before now I used to be scared of creating a buttonhole because I thought it would not come out well, but one day I decided to give it a try, and trust me, I love to sew clothes that has buttons. So I just said, let me just get my blazer and do something nice. So that was why I came up with this video. So I've just set my machine to 2. Now I'm taking it to 3. Okay, when you just follow the steps on the sewing machine, you will get it. So I made my stitch longer because it's a big button. So depending on the size of your button, that is also how long you will stitch. You can see I stitched down for long because I needed a wide buttonhole. As you can see, it didn't really take much time. I'm done. See the outcome, guys. I don't have phobia for buttonhole anymore. This is me trimming the excess thread. As you can see, it really came out nice. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is just to hold it down with pin because I'll be fixing the button now. If you don't know how to fix a knit button, then this tutorial is for you. Because I want it to be equal, I will just hold it down with pin. Okay, then I will be threading my hand needle, then I will go ahead to fix the button. So fixing the button is not a rocket science. Even a small child can fix button. So I don't think it's really difficult, but if you don't know it, it will look difficult. So I doubled my thread because I wanted it to be firm. You can as well use a single thread to fix your button. It will still be very okay. So when I was done threading my needle, I grabbed my button, then I began to fix it on my blazer. Remember guys, I marked the position where the button will be, so that was where I placed it. And just look at it, very easy to fix. It's now time for me to open up the buttonhole. You can use any sharp object that you have, but for me, I made use of a razor blade. Then I carefully opened up the buttonhole. And now you can see that my blazer has just taken a new shape. So simple to make. So if you have multiple buttons to fix, you don't have any problem. Just follow this pattern and you are good to go. Look at it, it's looking very relaxed, unlike when it was the press button. I hope this video has been helpful, and I also believe you can create a neat buttonhole like this. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And again, I want to let you guys know that we are now monetized. Please don't skip any adverts when you are watching my video. I appreciate you all. Thanks for the support all the way. May God keep blessing you. Don't forget to comment, like and share this video, and kindly turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to see my videos. See you all in my next tutorial. Bye.